He gon' call my phone with another lie I ain't interested in. Every time he was up a track and watch him do the same thing again. Look at the apologies and wish I energy cause it's running in my mind. And you can say it's gonna make it all better when you hear me now. Waking up, don't hear another day straight line. So fed up, where's your reply? No, this is this time. And you wanna hold back to fly. You should take flights, you're picking up your life. It's giving another sorry electronic apology. You hear me now? Yeah, but you hear me now. Yeah, I tell you boys over, I'm done playing these games. You supposed to know you must not remember my name. Oh, texting, I'm gonna give it up. Make it cool, all your minutes are. You know, you know you can lie. You're fed up, you ever reply. But enough, you see this time. You're going back to life. You should think right, but picking up your ears and giving another sorry electronic apology. You hear me now? Yeah, but you hear me now? You never have fun, you still me. But pretend that you're this number you have reached me make it hard. You should think twice, but waking up early lights and give it another sorry electronic apology. You hear me now? Yeah, you hear me now? You should think twice, but waking up early lights and give it another sorry electronic apology. You hear me now? Yeah, but you hear me now? Up.